Understanding the phrase, specialist. Hello there, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the word, specialist. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. A specialist is a person who has a deep understanding and expertise in a specific subject, area, or skill. Think of it as someone who has dedicated a lot of time and effort into one particular thing and has become an expert in that area. Let's look at some examples to understand how we can use the term in our daily language. 1. Dr. Brown is a specialist in cardiology, which means he focuses specifically on heart-related issues. 2. If you have a rare type of plant that's wilting, you might want to see a plant specialist. 3. She hired a specialist to fix the antique clock, as it required specific knowledge. Sometimes, it's good to know other words that mean the same or are similar. Here are some synonyms for specialist. 1. Expert. 2. Authority. 3. Pro. Informal. 4. Guru. Informal. Just as we looked at synonyms, it's beneficial to know words that mean the opposite. Here are some antonyms for specialist. 1. Generalist. 2. Novice. 3. Amateur. 4. Beginner. It's worth noting that a specialist is different from a generalist. While a specialist has deep knowledge in one area, a generalist has a broad range of knowledge across multiple areas but may not have as in-depth expertise in any one specific area. And there we have it. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning and usage of the word specialist for you. Remember, language is a tool, and the more we understand it, the better we can communicate. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.